Alright everybody, welcome to Mumbai Bike Diaries, and we have the Triumph Speed 400 for the fresh review this week. What can I say about this motorcycle that hasn't been said already? Single cylinder collaboration with Bajaj, 400cc, produces 40 horsepower on a single cylinder bike, 37.5 Newton meters of torque, upside down suspension, and Triumph and Bajaj making a phenomenal bike for the Indian market, really suited for the Indian market, with Triumph's signature fit and finish. Quality is top notch. I mean, this has the same quality as a bigger Triumph, be it a Trident, a Bonneville. The fit and finish everywhere is just classy as hell. I mean, look at the finish on this light. It's all so well crafted. I don't know what's up with these exhaust notes looking really ugly, but the exhaust note sounds phenomenal. Sounds good. The chain and the sprocket is on the right side. The chain drive is on the right side, not on the left side, which is quite odd and quite interesting to a lot of people. Most bikes have the chain and chain sprocket, including my bike, on the left side. The tail light looks very nice, and I've mentioned this earlier, but these handlebars are top class handlebars. I mean, the look is just perfect. You have adjustable levers, which is good for reach, so that if you have smaller fingers or a smaller hand, you can adjust it to your, and the brake also has the same thing. And let me just show you the screen. It's a semi-digital cluster and starts on like this. Very cool Triumph. And oh, there are hazards, sorry. There are hazard lights in case you want to switch them on. You're going very quick, it's rainy. Hazard lights, which are cool. And tire section is a 150 at the rear. 150 tire section at the rear. This is how the light looks. The rear light looks like that. Very cool. And the front light is a white LED. Also very cool. Has the signature Triumph logo here. And let's start the bike and give you a glimpse of the exhaust note. Wow, lovely. Alright, we are reviewing the Triumph Speed 400 today, and once the signal is off, I'll be able to rev the bike out and enjoy. But right now, I just took the bike out from the test showroom, Triumph showroom in Thane, and they're really friendly and nice and amazing. And big shout out to the Thane showroom for Triumph. And right now, the sitting position is quite nice, quite comfy. These bar end mirrors look absolutely amazing. Fit and finish is, everybody says it, but I'll say it again, the fit and finish of this bike is absolutely top notch. I mean, this bike looks phenomenal, and the test bikes are perfectly maintained. And off we go. Okay, very torquey motorcycle, very torquey, smooth. Sitting at about 70-80 right now. Bike is stress free. Bike is absolutely stress free. And handling is also phenomenal. Bike is very light. And really torquey motorcycle. Sitting position is comfortable. The seat is comfortable, but not for long rides. I mean, long rides, I think I would need a better seat for this bike. Suspension is one of the better suspensions I've seen, as good as the Harley X440. I mean, this is by no means a Bajaj motorcycle. People are always saying, you know, "Arey, Bajaj ki bike hai, Bajaj." No, it's not a Bajaj bike. It's got a quite peppy Triumph vibe to it. So, if you think, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये बजाज की बाइक है और खाली ट्रायम्फ ने अपना नाम दिया है, आप एब्सोल्युटली गलत हो, बिकॉज आपने ये बाइक चलाई नहीं है, आप ये बाइक चलाओ और फिर आप बोलना। Handling is smooth and you can rev this bike on any gear. Okay. Wow. Phenomenal. अभी मैं थर्ड गियर पे खींच रहा था कब से बाइक को, एंड बाइक ऑलमोस्ट टच्ड 100 on the third gear. 6-speed gearbox. Yeah, the bike produces 40 horsepower. Yeah, 40 horsepower and 37.5 Newton meters of torque, which makes this very good for the city because it's quite torquey. And also for the highway you got good power. 40, I mean, I guess the bike goes up to 140, 150, not more than that, but that's all you need for the highway in India. I mean, you're not going to go faster than that most of the time. Bike does tend to heat quite a lot, which is quite, it's putting all the heat onto my legs, the engine heat. Not a big fan of that. And 400, 3 lakh. And that uncle asked me about the bike. Let's pull on the second. Oh my god, almost touched 80 on the second gear. The gearing ratios are very good. Oh god, what a lovely bike. India is making such, well, India, yeah, it's made in India, the bike. India is making such phenomenal bikes in the 400cc segment, and good price too. I mean, I'll put the price down later on, but such a phenomenal bike, easy to ride, no issues at all. And oh god, the bike wants to just fly. Handling is phenomenal. The bike is very light, easy to turn into corners. Seat is nice, soft, plush, but for long distances I'd find myself having some pain. Another Triumph over there. Bike is selling like crazy. Yeah. That's a T4, I believe. I'm not sure, but power is phenomenal power. What the hell is this? Pretty awesome. Wow. I mean, on the highway you're gonna have fun with this bike. Phenomenal weather right now, and as I said, the crazy thing about this bike is the pull on offer. I mean, this pulls, this has the best pickup and torque offer. 400cc any 400cc I've ridden recently, or in India, any single cylinder 400. This is got insane pickup. I mean, you're going to really enjoy. If you're a fast person who likes to go fast, this bike has the power to give it to you. And I'll take a U-turn here because I have to go ahead. And the good thing is the bike doesn't stall or switch off in second gear or first gear. The bike keeps on going. You can stay on low speeds in second, third gear, and the bike will have no issues. Let's rev! Oh my god! Wow. High speed stability is wow. Only the suspension feels a bit odd going at high speeds. I mean, if you hit a crazy bump or something, feels a bit wobbly. Wow, Bajaj Triumph. I mean Triumph. I wouldn't say Bajaj because people get offended. But
किसने बोला था?
ले सुना क्या? ये भी मेरी गलती है।
नहीं भाई मेरी गलती है।
नहीं मेरी गलती है।
if you're looking to buy something in the 400cc segment, you have this and the Harley Davidson. Both are very different motorcycles, but this is more for somebody who wants to go very, very quick all the time. You pick the Speed 400. The Harley is for somebody who wants torque and a louder exhaust note. And I repeat, this is not a cheap bike. But if you are looking to get into the higher segment bikes and you have a 150-200 and you want more power, this bike will definitely surprise you, and you will definitely enjoy this bike for the power the bike provides and the handling and everything. I mean, just very easy to manage and gets out of traffic very quickly. Very refined engine, no vibrations. Oh yeah, well, no vibrations right now, but when I went at 120 kmph a few minutes ago, there were a few vibrations and they were quite noticeable, to be honest. If you rev this bike out to high RPMs, you will feel some vibes on your handlebar, and not on the foot pegs but on the handlebar. Foot peg is well contained, so there are some vibes, but you can live with it. It's not a big deal, it's part of the experience. So to finish off my review, I think that this is a phenomenal bike by Triumph in collaboration with Bajaj, that if you are looking at a jump to a 400cc, should be one of the bikes at the top of your list to test ride. And pickup is insane, top end is available, you can go above 100 kilometers very easily and hold triple digit speeds quite easily. And suspension is phenomenal. There are some bumps to be felt after 100 kmph if you hit a bump, but it's not a big deal. Vibrations are there, the engine is extremely refined, but vibrations are there only at high RPMs, extremely high RPMs, only felt slightly on the handlebar. So in my opinion, this is a phenomenal bike by Triumph, and it's very good for any entry-level enthusiast who wants to get into the 400cc segment and have insane power on offer. Yeah, this is me from Mumbai Bike Diaries, logging out for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and have a phenomenal day. Thank you.